you! Come over here! You're a motherfucker! Hey, your parrot just called me a motherfucker. Either you do something about that or I'll have this place shut down.
All right. Don't worry about it. Let me take care of that.
Hey you! Come over here! You're a motherfucker! It happened again. That parrot can't be doing that. I'm warning you.
All right. It won't happen again. I'll take care of it. Look. You can't be talking to the customer that way. Do that again and I will feed you to the cat.
Ah! Hey! Hey you! Come over here!
You know.
Huh?